What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. I got me some Qdoba. Yeah. These bags be so big. I got me some Doritos. Oh, yeah. Strawberry Fanta. I know y'all probably like, why she always drinking strawberry Fanta? I only drink soda one day out the week. No lie. But, the other day, I was making a video. Made a whole, like, 9-minute video or whatever. And it deleted off of TikTok because my friend called me and messed it up. And I was so upset. Like, hurt. I had Wingstop wings, the fries, and a fruit punch. And I was mad. But it is what it is. So, I don't know why it's people behind me looking at me and all of that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I'm at work, so people gonna be people. But this bowl is bowling. The only reason why I wanted to do a mukbang today is because the girl hooked it up. Side of hot. You know, let's get into it. Look at Lord. I got the sweet and spicy chicken. I got light rice, which is like a half order rice. The sweet and spicy chicken. Corn, sour cream, pico de gallo. The hot on the side. Guac, cheese, lettuce, and queso. Damn. It's good. Everything nice and fresh because breakfast just was over. For my yogurt this morning. This is hot. No, this one is not even the hot one though. I think that one medium because the hot one is the red one. I might see some. Yeah, I think that one medium. It got a little kick to it. And we have a Qdoba in the terminal. Oh, I got veggies in here too. I forgot. Fajitas. Fajita veggies.
Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me?
And it's white rice.
Come on, dude. I'm mixed with black Indian and Filipino. I don't know why people laughing. I don't know why people laughing. Why is Tinker my God? Talk about something. Do some work. Lay a little one. I'm really done. I'm about to give you a play as you got too much time on your hands.
We was trying to block the sun on the shades, but the sun hating right now.
I don't know.
It's still in my face.
I don't know why. Who the heck is Lorenzo? Like, I'm just like,
That's TikTok.
I know people be weird on TikTok.
Yeah, I don't know why you wanted me to go on your live. She wanted me to get on her live on her phone while I'm recording my video.
Yeah,
For her TikTok followers. Girl, I don't know them people. She just said that they all weird on TikTok. But you want me to be on there.
You on TikTok.
I'm recording it regular.
But you got like my live, follow me, you know. I was Streeter. I said Streeter. Oh, look who on my live. Sierra, where you been?
I don't know why people go live when I'm making a video.
Who is Lorenzo?
I don't
Like,
get
can
it.
you believe
They had all this time to go live.
Hey, girl, hey.
Can you get off live while I'm making a video?
I'm not even gonna lie. You mind your video, I'm on my live.
You gotta get off live.
Cause I'm about to get in your mukbang.
You had all morning to get on live. She gonna waste time making a video to get on live.
Look.
Like,
What are you doing?
I need to save. I can save these.
no.
Actually, it is making stuff more interesting.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
They don't want to hear you talking in the back.
Yes, they do. Hey, girl, hey.
I'm gonna end this video early.
No, you're not.
Bye, y'all.
At the right interesting.
I'm back, y'all. I ain't eat that much. I probably ate like 2 chips. Oh, these chips not big enough for this. Excuse me.
Ain't shit rocking right now, right? Ain't shit rocking.
It is good. It's like everything is fresh. Qdoba be having breakfast until like
20 days. I think it's something like
10, 10:30, something like that.
That's what you want. Get some more.
Right now.
Just wait for lunch.
Think you can wait for dinner for lunch?
I'm just wait for lunch.
I'm not going to the gym today. I'm gonna skip the gym and go straight home. Figure out what I'm gonna eat for dinner today and lunch tomorrow. And then I go to the gym tomorrow. Got my little therapist appointment
Wait.
tomorrow. And then
He sent me the wrong thing.
the weekend is coming up. I wear my waist trainer now on the days that I don't go to the gym. I'm gonna do a little cavitation machine today too.
Give me a second. You want to pop her or what? That's what I want. But I heated up.
That was one piece.
A piece of the warm. Then I got to use it myself. I ain't going to do it everything. That shit's crazy. Did you know we almost got here? We was on my heat up right. Ain't that right, dude? I said, we almost got of here, niggas with mine. He the
Screw
bread.
It was a biscuit.
Bro,
It was so bad.
8 seconds.
He
put it on a minute.
It was actually on fire.
They call the hard one.
I'm getting full.
It was like keep bugging. It stunk so bad in here.
Oh, that's why the other day it smelled
Oh,
like
y'all.
it smelled like burnt.
I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm getting full. Bye.